In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make baby dance video AI in Filmora. We'll go from opening the app to generating a fun AI-powered dancing clip using a single baby photo, keeping everything simple and clear so you can follow along without any guesswork. Start by opening Filmora on your computer. On the home screen, create a new project. This gives you a clean timeline and canvas. If a prompt appears, choose the aspect ratio that best fits where you plan to share the video, like vertical for phones or horizontal for widescreen. Don't worry, you're not changing anything complicated here, just setting the stage so what you make looks right in the end. Next, look to the top or left panel and click on Stock Media. This is Filmora's built-in library and gateway to the AI tools we'll use. Inside Stock Media, select AI Media. You'll see different AI features curated in one place. From there, choose Video Inspiration. Think of Video Inspiration as a collection of smart templates that use AI to animate still images in stylized ways, including dance motions. In the search bar at the top, type baby and press enter. This filters the inspirations so you don't have to scroll through everything. Browse the results and pick a baby dance option that matches the energy you want. Some might be bouncy and playful, others smooth and rhythmic. Click on the one you like to open it. Now it's time to bring your image in. You'll be prompted to upload a photo of the baby you'd like to animate. For the best result, choose a clear front-facing picture with the face centered, good lighting, and minimal motion blur. Avoid heavy filters, sunglasses, or anything that obscures facial features. If the baby is wearing a hat or pacifier that covers parts of the face, try a different photo. Also, make sure you have permission to use the image, especially if you didn't take it yourself. After selecting your image, click Generate. Filmora will process the photo with AI and apply the chosen dance motion. This can take a moment depending on your connection and the complexity of the template. When it's done, you'll see the animated result appear on the canvas. Play it back to review the movement and facial alignment. If something looks off, maybe the face isn't centered or the lighting is tricky, try another photo with a clearer view or slightly adjust your crop before generating again. And that's it. You opened Filmora, created a project, navigated to stock media, selected AI media and video inspiration, searched baby, picked a dance, uploaded your image, and clicked generate to bring a still photo to life. Have fun exploring different dance styles and seeing which photo gives you the most charming result.